been doing, or if she ever misses me. Well, I don't wanna see the million pictures in my phone, I'd rather see an empty screen. Well, I had a little talk with God this morning, and I confess that I screwed up. But I'm a big boy, I'm gonna stay tough, and I'm gonna cowboy up. And he said, but are you gonna man up if you see her walking on the street in that dress you love? Are you gonna stay tough if you hear she's been talking to the one guy you're jealous of? And when you finally decide to swallow your pride and you wanna pull up to her house, I hope you man up, stay tough, and cowboy up if she runs out and jumps in another man's truck. In another man's truck. I don't even wanna think about it, I don't wanna feel a thing. I don't ever wanna run into any of her friends, I don't wanna know a damn thing. Well, I can't confess the things that I've done, I haven't been a very good man. But I'm a grown man, as strong as I am, I'm gonna do the best I can. But are you gonna man up if you see her walking on the street in that dress you love? And are you gonna stay tough? Here she's been cruising with the one guy you're jealous of. And when you finally decide to swallow your pride and you don't really wanna give up, I hope you man up and stay tough and cowboy up if you see her around town in another man's truck. In another man's truck. We've done a million things, the hurt, the pain, the broken dream. The thought is driving me insane. What am I gonna do? But are you gonna man up if you see her walking on the street in that dress you love? And are you gonna stay tough if you hear she's been drinking with the one guy you're jealous of? When you finally decide to swallow your pride and you wanna pull up to that bar, I hope you man up and stay tough and cowboy up if she winds up drunk in another man's truck. In another man's truck. In another man's truck.